Thaikanya PureBliss Botanical Cannabis Bath Salts, a calming blend designed to help your body relax. Had a long day? Your body carries stress, but it doesn't have to. Change your bathroom into a relaxing space with Thaikanya PureBliss Botanical Cannabis Bath Salts. This isn't just a bath, it's a way to refresh your mind and body. Unlock the secret of clear, blemish-free skin. We use mineral-rich sea salt to fight acne at its source. Exotic tamarind and turmeric work together to reduce pores and eliminate blackheads. Let nature remove toxins and reveal your natural glow. Breathe in and let go. Infused with zesty bergamot and lemongrass, our aromatherapeutic blend melts away anxiety and lifts your mood instantly. It gives you a refreshing burst of energy while providing your skin with important antioxidants. Discover the healing power of cannabis leaves. Our formula helps soothe skin irritations and boost skin health. It works to reduce excessive skin cell production, making it perfect for tired, stressed skin. Experience wellness with Thaikanya Cannabis Bath Salt. This special CBD treatment offers the benefits of cannabis for a complete healing experience in every grain. Thaikanya Natural Medicine, where relaxation meets restoration. Order your jar of tranquility today.